Give your routine a rhythm using Google Workspace Studio. In this video, we're showing you how to create a file directory using Workspace Studio. To start the flow, choose When an item is added to a folder as the starter. Next, a pop-up screen will appear for you to select the folder. Now, you're ready to identify the actions you want to take place. Scroll until you locate Sheets, then select Add a Row. Next, you will be asked to identify the spreadsheet you want to add a row to. Once you select the spreadsheet, the columns will appear for you to map the data. After mapping the data, run a test to confirm everything is working as intended. To learn more, read our latest post, The Benefits of a Centralized File Directory, on our blog at rhythmicroutines.com. Thanks for tuning in. You no longer need a Google script to create a file directory.